Rusty Stainless here. I've got my new SP2500 Corsair high-powered 2.1 PC speaker system. It's 232 watts and we're going to give it a quick unboxing. And there you go, it's all unpacked. You see, I told you it'd be quick. No, just joking. First thing you notice about it is it's huge. This thing is enormous box. It's all in the subwoofer. First of all, let's get out some cables. First out of the box, audio cable, 3.5mm input there. These are the speaker connection cables. They're 4-pin. So out comes the speaker itself, the subwoofer, and it is huge. Voila! As you can see, this thing is big. Nice big outlet there for the air, and our controls on the back. Plug, and that's where our speaker cables go in, and the RCA cables there, and an auxiliary port just there. So nice big unit. Also in the box, the all-important instructions. Stop! Do not return this product to the store. And here is the quick start guide. Safety information booklet. And our warranty guide. And now we dig out some more cables hiding in under here. Power cable, more power cable, and another power cable, and another power cable. The reason there are so many power cables is that, wow, here we go. Here's the Aussie one for Australia. That looks like an American one. Here we go. Here's an Asian one. And possibly a UK style one. So quite a number of countries catered for there. And I guess I can just throw these in the bin. This is the little prized controller piece. Oh, it's a beautiful little piece. Out you come, little controller. There we go. Nice. And that's the connection for the controller in the back there. These are the little stands that raise up the speakers, the front speakers. Some little dots there, I guess they're for stoppers to slide pieces moving around. See if we need those later. So finally, let's get these little speakers out. blue inside the speaker cone there. Feel nicely weighted. Just that simple connector on the back there where the 4 pins go in. And let's put on a stand there like that to raise it up. That's versus sitting it down by itself, so there's a bit of a difference in the angle there. So, and there you have it. That's all the bits.